Alright, so as you seen in my build video, my shocks were too long. So I fixed the issue now. So what I've done is I've bought new shocks. So Superior Engineering for the front, they're 9-inch travel, 600 open, and just some Oldman Emus for the rear. They're just for a standard 2-inch lift. So they should be short enough. And what I did is for the front, so I jacked up my car until the coil comes loose. So you shake the coil, it comes loose. Measure from this flange down to the flange on the diff as the coil's loose, and I measured it and that was 600, so that's why I went and got a 600 shock. So I went and bought a 600 shock from Superior because they have their open and closed lengths on their site, which was pretty handy. But the rear I didn't measure, so I was just going to get some locally quickly. That's why I just went and got Oldman Emus. They should fit. So as a comparison with the new shock from Superior with the Dobinson, line the two ends up. Down this end, there's about 4 inches difference from out there to there. So hopefully my coils will stay in now. Right here. So I'm just putting rubber grease in all my bushes just so they don't go in dry, not wearing out too quickly. And with rubber bushes, make sure you actually use rubber grease, not just normal grease either. Alright, same deal with the rears, same there, about 2 inches different at the bottom, so hopefully it's just enough to keep my springs in, I hope. So I fit in every good mod. You gotta go for a 4B, so going for a quick beach drive. The sun's sort of going down now. We might make it. I know you're all gonna ask about it, but look at that. Audi R8. Lovely car. Not a bad test for the shop because that road is corrugated as. But here at Whitehills Beach, first time I've been here, see what it's like. Where are we going? Oh yeah, have a suss. See if we can take off. Let the tyres down, the beach getting a bit soft.
Hey?
Should float over it now.
Sorry. What's up? What's up? I don't really see too
Probably
much now.
Should like probably a good thing we didn't go over it.
What?
There's nothing on the other side, it's bush.
Oh, no wonder why the tyre track stopped. Did you want to get a photo anyway?
Huh?
Did you want to get a photo anyway?
Probably should. Fix it up. Shit, everything went fine. Yep.